It's Woody the Woodpecker. I'm back with another baby today. Today we're going to be playing this new game that I saw, and I just wanted to download it. Oh yeah, and I'm back. I know I've been gone for like a month, no, 2 years actually, but guess what? Woody the Woodpecker's back, and I'm back. I'm just glad to say hello to you guys, but I'm back, and we're going to be in SBO. My best friend, if you go to my channel, I don't know why, he uploaded a video on my channel, so we're going to be getting him his own channel for his very self, so it's going to be great, guys. You just could get us 500 likes on this video or more subscribers, and I love you guys, and we're just going to start playing this game. SBO said he's better than me at this game, but he sucks at it. So we're going to show him who's boss, so let's get to playing. Oop, phone going low, but got the charger right here. Yeah, cause alrighty. Who's boss today? Yeah, I want somebody to give me some peanut butter bunkers. You guys owe me some peanut butter bunkers. This one. What's going on? It's time for me to find some guns. The next video SBO makes, he's going to post it on his new, I better go. Oh, can I die? Guys, I said SBO. So, but it looks like I do. He got me there. I'm not that good at this game, though. And comment down below if you guys want to see me do some more videos, because I used to do Among Us videos, and all you guys actually liked it, because I was surprised of how many views I got on that video. 171 views, yeah. Well, I'm sorry that I was gone. It was personal business, but I'm back though. I'm going to be playing some, cause my wife, Winnie, we was like packing our stuff. Woody the Woodpecker's back though. I know you guys are so tired of me saying I'm back, but you guys should be happy. Your laughing bird's back. Ooh, gotta fix off for that. Oh. I'm gonna go to hide and seek battle. Which one you guys want me to do? Hide and seek or battle? Let's do the hide and seek. So, yep, I'm in it. Somebody's named Venom. Ooh, how do they name themselves? Enter a text. What is up? Oh yeah, I know you guys see my. What's up? Oh, hold up. I spelled that wrong. You know what? What's good? It's good. I spelled that wrong. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. What was I talking about? I just forgot. I don't know how to play this hide and seek mode. Heck?
Fight!
The heck? What is going on right now? Oh yeah, my wife. Oh wait, no, I wasn't talking about that. I was really not talking about that. Hold up, guys. I'm actually exiting this one because, look, I'm not that good at battle royale shooting gun game. I know you guys hear it. Do you guys even hear the background? Oh, thought you guys heard. Well, they're playing the, SBO's playing around probably. Oh wait, no, I forgot to name myself. You guys want me to name myself the Fighter Woody? Yeah. I know you guys, it's fine if you wouldn't like this video, but I'm making it for the love. I'm sorry if you guys don't like it. But I'm back. Whoa. Gotta name myself. Change avatar. Okay, character. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, now it's time to change my name. Woodpecker. WP. Yeah, Woody Woodpecker. That's what it stands for. This is just my character. Yeah, this one. Right here. Yeah, I'm just playing this game. My phone is dying. People are interrupting my game. Yeah, I'm about to see what's going on. I'm in the Woodpecker.
3, 2, 1.
Laughing bird. Guns fastly. That other game was short. Ooh, yes, good already. And he's going down. Oh, he's got an AK. Oh no, I better run. Oh no. Go. Man, hold up, guys. Let's go. Man, bro, let's go. Hold up, guys. I'm about to go get something. Hold up. Alright, guys, I'm back on Roblox. Yeah, I couldn't play that. It was too hard for me. This might be upgrade. Hold up. I'm back on this. I did not want to play Roblox. I'm sorry, but you keep a smile on my face. Because I love you guys, I don't. I suck at this game. Woodpecker, that's my new name. I need to get me some guns. I be dying fastly. I know I suck, bruh. I'ma pause it. Yep, I'm back. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Yeah, I was pausing it because it was loading slow. No, player 6, no, 69. Waiting for players. So while we're waiting for players, what do you guys want to do? Oh, he's on my team. That's good. So like, oh, pretty Woodpecker here. Trash skin. Hold up, guys. This video keep being paused because this game is loading slow. No, I'ma just wait. Alright. Alright, guys, I'm back. Had to pause it because nobody was joining. No one was joining. And now we're starting 70. And I guess I'll wait and talk to people. And later on the keyboard, I'm gonna change that into me because that's probably SBL. He put his thing as his best friend shadow. Woodpecker here. Chair. Don't you guys just hate when you type it and then you accidentally click some letter and you didn't see it and then you see it again? That's what I used to do in my old video. You can go back and watch it. You can replay it. You can replay that video and then just watch the Among Us ones and you will see that I've been doing that.
3, 2, 1.
they killed me and a victory SpongeBob music started playing. Yeah, I'm about to like, this video might be dumb, you guys.
Your family isn't generic. Your holiday.
Alright guys, I'm back. I never won a victory. What is this? It's a bottle? What am I gonna do with this? Make sure nobody's around here. Yeah, gotta run. Ooh, shotgun. Finding a lot of stuff now. Yeah, we all better not mess with me. Might be a woodpecker, but I know how to use guns. I'm gonna find somebody and kill them. I'm gonna do a reaction video, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna end it here. Guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna be back. I love you guys and peace out. Stay tuned for that reaction video, and I'm gonna do another one probably in a minute or so. But see you guys later, and I love you guys. Peace out.